All right, 11.8 is on rational equations and functions. We're going to learn how to solve rational equations, and then we're going to learn how to graph rational functions. So anytime you have a proportion, so x over 3 equals 4 over x minus 4, this is the easiest kind of rational equation to solve. All we need to do is cross multiply and just make sure that we remember that we could have a possibility of an extraneous solution here. In this problem, since we have an x minus 4 in the second denominator, if we had 4 as a final answer, 4 would be an extraneous solution, and we have to remember that. So when we cross multiply here, we're going to have x times x minus 4 equals 3 times 4, and this is going to turn into a quadratic. So the hard part about this section is not just that you have an equation with fractions in it, it's that you're going to come out with problems that you now have to solve a quadratic on. You're supposed to recognize this and now choose a method for solving. I would probably, since this is an x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0, I would probably just use factoring and the zero product rule on this one. You could use the quadratic formula. You could be crazy and graph it and see where the graph crosses the x-axis. But if we factor this, we're going to get x minus 6 times x plus 2 equals 0. And then applying the zero product rule, our solutions are going to be positive 6 and negative 2. And since neither one of our solutions was actually a 4, both of those solutions are okay. So that's the last step, is to check for those extraneous solutions.